and that was a footprint. Well, I hope the fire starts in these conditions, man. It's raining. There's the plane up above. Sunrise. Yeah. I got that all over my hand. Playing with fire. Well, with the rain, we might find prints out here, George. Got some good areas to go into.
It's got pretty damp from the rain.
The paper towels?
Yeah.
Everything got soaked.
It would be good for your arm.
Started raining last night. Well, actually about 2 hours before sunrise. It's not really raining, it's just drizzling, but my fear is it's going to go all day. Because we got the special Aztec snake project.
Got some Yerba Santos.
You go what?
It's a holy herb from South America.
Got that South American herb?
I'm burning it to purify the air. It's also an excellent bronchodilator.
I bet.
Safer than albuterol.
I think we got some action. Heard something moving. Moving through this creek. Oh yeah. Here at Boggy Creek. Cypresses are in winter form. Bullfrog. You hear that bullfrog? Not really. I don't eat amphibian, man. Or reptile. Got some hills to just stop. Get this way. You okay with doing this?
Yeah.
What sucks is we're in a hurry. And that was a footprint. This is a creepy ass area, George. See, we're going downhill now.
The cicadas are going crazy back at camp. Back
I know.
there.
I know, I could hear them. Okay. Just say we're in the total darkness. I need to turn this off though. Okay, we were in darkness, other than the headlamps. So you haven't had any daytime orientation to this, have you, George?
Negative.
To what?
Negative, sir.
No, so you're not. You're not really clear about what we're doing then. Okay. Yeah, this is hard packed. Go ahead. Up here, that's going to make a loop. If you follow that circle, it'll take us right back to the camp. That's about a mile.
It might be too far from me, Tim.
Hmm?
It might be too far from me.
Yeah. There goes George. What's the matter? You see something?
No, I thought I did.
Well, that's good enough for me. Let's check it out.
Want to take a little stop?
Yeah. What do you think you saw?
I just saw a couple of dark areas that were silhouetted. I think.
Yeah, it may be moving.
I think they were trees.
Well, you never know.
Might as well have a
When I was working with Mitch Waite, he had a sighting from the truck as well. And we stopped. Let's just check it out. I mean, we're miles from nowhere now, which is great. So we did that whole loop, about 15 miles.
There's I don't know how many miles. It's probably 10 or 15 miles, 20 miles, north to south.
Well, where the cave is,
A good 15 square miles of forest.
the cave is a good 15.
Anyway, let's focus in on if it's over here. Something's been off-road. Hunter's beer bottle. I'm sick with bronchitis and I'm running a fever, but this work has got to be done. I think George is using his binocular. Ribbons and ties and mackerel skies. Clear on this. We've camped before in the Green Swamp, and most recently, or a couple times ago before I got there, what did you see flying overhead?
A lot of crows.
And did you see anything that might have been?
Well, we did see a unknown helicopter.
What color would you think it was?
Oh, it was black. It was shiny and black. I think it did have some kind of marking.
Did you ever see any olive or camel colored?
No.
But this did not look regulation?
It looked very high tech, jet engine, in addition to the rotor.
Because I was telling my viewers about the immediate follow-up of two Bigfoot crossing the road, very similar to this, that he said a camo colored flew over. Now, I did get an email, folks, from, this is not a crackpot. I got an email from a member of the Hillsborough County Commission. The lady gave me her name and her email, and I followed up on it. And she's a member of the Hillsborough County Commission, and she believes that there is Rex 84 activity going on in the Green Swamp. You familiar with Rex 84, George?
Yes, I am.
Yeah. And they also found enough, you've heard of radon, isotope of uranium, what they were finding at the bottom of those phosphate mines. Now I'm getting into a theory about malformed apes as a result of that. That was actually out of an episode of Matlock.